Welcome back mga kabisdak. So today I'm giving you a tip if you're traveling to Cebu for 2 days. Alright, so our destination is Oslob for whale watching, Tumalog Falls, and Sumilon Island, which is located in Oslob area. And then the last stop is Kawasan Falls in Badian, then going back to Cebu. Alright, so let's start in Cebu City. Go to Cebu South Bus Terminal as early as possible, around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. and catch the bus going to Bato Santander via Oslob, because our first destination is Oslob, right? So take this bus, take the aircon bus, which costs you around 180 to 190 pesos. Just tell the driver that you're going to Oslob for whale watching. They already know this place, so they will drop you there. Now when you reach Oslob around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., when you get down the bus, there's a lot of people trying to approach you and assist you. Take note that this person are all tour operators, so there's additional charge for that, around 150 pesos or 250 pesos. Now when if you are traveling on budget, then go directly to whale watching briefing area, register your name. After registering your name, follow the queue to cashier to pay 500 pesos for the local people. If you are a foreigner, pay 1,000 pesos, and the cashier, they give you a number, and this number, give it to the person located in the exit area. There's a table there, and just give it this number to that person, and then just wait your name to be called. All right, and remember that you only spend 30 minutes in the for whale watching. After whale watching, you can just have your breakfast along the road. It will cost you around 80 to 100 pesos, and after breakfast, you can take the motorcycle going to Tumalog Falls. It costs you 100 pesos back and forth going to Tumalog Falls, and the entrance fee in Tumalog Falls is 20 pesos. Alright, now during summer, between March to May, it's not worth it to visit Tumalog Falls. Alright, after Tumalog Falls, you go back to the briefing area. You can approach some tour operators there. They can assist you going to Sumilon Island, and it will cost you 500 pesos per person, and you can spend 1 hour to 2 hours in Sumilon Island. In Tumalog Falls, you can spend 1 hour only. In Sumilon Island, you can spend 1 hour to 2 hours. Now take note that snorkeling in Sumilon Island is not worth it. Alright, but if you have extra, then you can do it. But if you're traveling on a budget, no, it's not worth it. Alright, you can just have a take picture, take selfie for Instagram and for Facebook. That's it. And then going back to briefing area, and take the bus, the same bus going to Bato Terminal, Bato Santander, because this time you are going to Kawasan Falls. So from the Oslo briefing area, take the bus, which is Bato Santander, and you need to drop to Bato Terminal, and it will cost you 40 to 60 pesos for that. And when you reach Bato Terminal, change the bus going to Badian, and tell the driver that you're going to Kawasan Falls, and it will cost you 69 or 89 pesos from the Bato Terminal going to Kawasan Falls. Alright, and now when you reach Kawasan Falls, there's a big church along the road. Just go there. I mean, there's an access road, the right side of the church. Just enter that road and just follow the people. And the entrance fee is 45 pesos for the local people, I think. Yeah, for the local, and times 2, around 90 pesos for the foreigner. Now this time you will reach Kawasan Falls around 12 o'clock, most probably. Yeah, around 12 o'clock. You can spend a lot of time in Kawasan Falls because there's a lot of things to do in Kawasan Falls. You don't need to book canyoneering. Just what else? Just rent a life jacket, which costs you 50 pesos, and that's it. You can jump the falls. Now when you reach Kawasan Falls, don't stop only in the first falls, because there's a lot of falls ahead. Just keep walking. and follow the people. All right, and until you reach the dam. There's a water down there, so yeah, it's really nice. There's a lot of view. You can take a lot of photos, selfies, and it's really fun. You can enjoy, you can relax and spend more time there. All right, and around 3 to 4 a.m. you can go back to Cebu, take the bus going back to Cebu, and it costs you 130 pesos for the bus fare. And now take the aircon bus. All right, so when you will reach Cebu around 8 a.m. to 9 no, 8 a.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you can have your dinner in Larshan in Puerto Ismenia, or you can go directly to Tisa for the siomai. That's the a popular food in Cebu. It's siomai and halo-halo. So go to Tisa. Yeah, for siomai. That's the original siomai in Cebu, located in Tisa. And after having your siomai with puso, the hanging rice, it's the rice wrapped with a coconut leaves. And after having your dinner, you can have halo-halo along the area. So that's your 1 day itinerary. All right, so now on the second day, around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. It's up to you. 6 a.m., 7 or 8 a.m. You can go to Santo Niño Church. You can have a picture. The Magellan Cross is only outside the Santo Niño. And after that, if you want to go to Cebu Cathedral Church, then it's just along in the opposite side of Santo Niño. And after Santo Niño, you can go to Lahog GY Square to take the motorcycles going to Sirao Flower Garden, top of Cebu, and Temple of Leia. And you can pay the driver 350 or 400 per person going to these three places: Sirao Flower Garden, top of Cebu, and Temple of Leia. Now after Santo Niño Church, you go to Sirao Flower Garden, right? So Sirao Flower Garden, and then after Sirao Flower Garden, the next stop is top of Cebu. You can see the view of Cebu City area. So you can have your lunch there in top of Cebu restaurant. It's the best restaurant serving local cuisine. All right, and after that, the motorcycle driver, they will wait you there. So they will, after top of Cebu restaurant, you go to Temple of Leia. After Temple of Leia, that's it. You can have dinner in IT Park. It's a sugbo mercado for a barbecue, pork barbecue, or there's a lot of food in Sugbo Mercado. So you can enjoy having dinner in Sugbo Mercado, located in IT Park. Sugbo Mercado will open from Wednesday to Sunday only. All right, so that's it. That's the 2 days itinerary in Cebu when you plan to visit Cebu. So I hope it will help you